last practice problem before your exit ticket. They are telling us angle 1 is 3x. Angle 7 is 2x plus 50. What is the angle relationship for 1 and 7? There is no special relationship. That means they are supplementary and they add up to 180. So I'm going to add those angles together. That's what my notes tell me to do. So 3x, that's the first angle, plus the second angle, which is 2x plus 50. I set that whole thing equal to 180 degrees. I have combined like terms. You will always have like terms most likely when you add the two angles together. So I get 5x plus 50 equals 180. I need to get this 5x by itself. So I'm going to get rid of this 50 by doing the opposite on both sides. I get 5x equals 130. I'm going to isolate my variable by dividing by 5 on both sides to get x equals 26 degrees. That's not the question. They want the value of angle 7. Angle 7 is 2x plus 50. So instead of x, I'm going to put a 26 in its place. So 2 times 26 plus 50 will give me the value of that angle. 2 times 26 is 52. Add 50 to that, and I get angle 7 equals 102 degrees. Hopefully, these are making sense to you now. For the exit ticket, make sure you show work on your paper first, and then enter your answers. Then you'll enter your answers into the Google form. There is a redo, so if you do not do well the first time, practice and then do the redo. Please don't do the redo if you're still confused. You won't get a good score on that either. If you don't know how to practice, send me a message and I'll give you something to do to help you get some more practice in. All right, do your best. Oh, we're not done yet. What mistake would you expect the scholar to make? So a scholar might make the mistake of thinking that angle 1 and angle 7 are congruent instead of supplementary. There's other mistakes, but that's the one I'm going to use. So if they think those two angles are congruent, they would end up writing the wrong equation. They would have written 3x equals 2x plus 50 instead of adding them together. So that's a mistake they could make. I think there's one more part to this practice problem. Yes. How could you determine the measure of angle 4 giving the work of the previous two questions? All right, so I just put the picture in to refresh our memory. So how can I figure out angle 4 given everything that I just figured out, right? I know x is 26 degrees. I know angle 7. So if I want angle 4 right here, well, angle 4 is supplementary to angle 7. So I can subtract from 102, or angle 4 is also vertical to angle 1, so I can multiply 3 times 26 because those angles are congruent. So there's multiple ways to find it. I would just like to do 26 times 3, 78 degrees. So that's how I can figure it out. There's always more than one way to get the answer. As long as your way makes sense, then you are correct. But please don't skip these thinking questions because that's how you know that you really understand the concept. Now you're going to do your exit ticket.